This is one of Taylor's favorite things to do. Is help Mommy unload the dishwasher. You're such a good helper. Can I have the cup? Thank you. Can I have the plate? Thank you. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. You want to do the forks and knives? Oh, okay. Awesome. Thanks. I know, that's a funny one, huh? Oh, thanks. You gonna save that one for later? You want to give it to Mommy? Can you give me? Oh, thank you. Okay, give me the forks and knives. Thank you. Good job. Thank you. Such a good helper. Thanks, baby. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye, Dada.